What up, YouTube? It's your boy. I got another video for you tonight. It's gonna be unboxing of this wireless headset that I got from Amazon. They are called, and hope I'm pronouncing this right, Mpow. So I seen a couple videos of these joints on YouTube after I had discovered them on Amazon, and a lot of people have had a positive thing to say about them. So I said, well, let me try them for myself because I need some headphones that's comfortable and that's wireless because I'm tired of the cords. So I figured I purchased these. So let's look around the box, see what the box is saying. It's a not very stylish, but it do have a lot of information on the box. Noise canceling, okay. Foldable design, microphone, hi-fi audio, soft and comfortable. Okay, just some instructions. All right. Okay. So what they got here, operation range is, I guess, 10 meters. Y'all can correct me if I'm wrong in the comments. I don't know. Talking time is 15 to 20 hours. Playing time is 15 to 20 hours. Charging time 2 to 3 hours. Battery capacity is 3.7 volt, I guess, 420 mAh. And charging voltage is 5V, 1A. All right, made in China, Mpow technology. All right. Okay. Okay, so you get a, I guess, auxiliary cord with this joint too. All right. Well, let's the MH. All right. I guess that's the name of this headphones, the MH by Mpow. So let's take it out the box here. See what we get in the box. Important reminder, headset, yeah, la-di-da-di, yeah, okay. What we got here? Some more books. Maybe some further instructions. That's what it looks to be. Okay. All right, I'll probably read that off of camera. So these the headphones here. And we get some, okay, auxiliary cable and the charging cable, micro USB. All right, what else we get here? And we get a little bag, cloth bag, I guess. Guess this is cloth to put the headphones in to travel with. All right, so that's what we get so far. So let's put this stuff in the box. In the box. And let's look at the headphones to start the show. Okay, a little wrapper. Okay. Wait a minute. This is low. Okay. They never be a little easier than that to fold them. Okay, there they go. They just kind of put them in all kind of file. All right. So let me give you a description of what I'm seeing here. This is like a matte type of feel. I like it. It ain't shiny, it ain't glossy, just a matte finish. It's like a pleather. Guess I sure don't want to call it leather. Got a little soft material underneath the headband for the head. And this is the right side. You got your, I guess, volume low, volume high. and answering phone calls. Got a little light down there, and that is your charging area. I guess that's like a little mic. All right, we'll get on the other side, the left side, the name, Mpow, and the headphone jack. All right. Now these are very fat. These are fat. Very fat. So I'm hoping that they are real comfortable because I need some comfortable headphones. The Sonys I got, cool sound and everything, but they're not comfortable like I need them to be for my head and ears. So I can wear them, but after so long, it is very painful. Got some writing on the inside here. What did this say? RAOHS something. I don't know. But anyway, who cares? Alright, that's just a quick unboxing of these Mpow H1s wireless. I hope these over the head. Let me see if they're over the head. Oh wow, people. Oh yeah, it's they over the head. I mean over the ear. Over the head. Over the ear. They are over the ear. And they do feel real comfortable. They're not squeezing my ears or my head. They're not even touching my ears. So that's real good. That's real good. So, yeah. I'm hoping that they will last the 15 to 20 hours. And we will see. So, until another video, rate, comment, subscribe. Give me a thumbs up if you like what I do. And I'll holler at you all later with a follow-up video on how these headphones are treating me. And I'm going to put the link in the description. So you're welcome to try them out for yourself. Okay, easy adjustable, slide. I hope that these sit in place because they don't click, they just slide. There's no clicking, just slide. So I'm hoping that they will sit in place. I hope this won't be a problem for the long term. Hope not. But we will see. We will see. All right. Holla at your boy. Peace.